Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2022 Ford Bronco Sport, and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how the headlight looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So all we need to do is just apply Slip Solution to the lens. And with a clean microfiber towel, make sure to remove any contaminants that the headlight may have. So to start with the installation, all we need to do is apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. Once you apply your Slip Solution, just place the film to the lens and make sure you start by aligning the film to this section of the headlight first. So we're just going to align it right on the edge here of the headlight. So once we have it aligned, apply Tack Solution underneath the film, keep it aligned. And also keep in mind with this one, it's only covering the flat area of the headlight. It doesn't cover the inside. Since it is a deep curve, we're only covering this front section here. So once you have it aligned, spray Tack Solution on top, hold it in position, and start tagging it down to secure it. So once you tack down this section here, we're only stretching the film up to where the body line for the design of the headlight is. So you're going to feel there's this curved design here. So just stretch the film and match up to the edge of the design of the curve. So roughly around here, make sure you hold it in position and then just apply Tack Solution to start securing it. So spray Tack Solution on top, that way our squeegee is able to just glide and start tacking down the film. Okay, and then this section of the tint is just going to cover this round section here. You are going to notice that there's some of the headlight exposed because of the cutout. That's perfectly fine. It's just more so it could cover at least the curved section here. So cover it here and help it tack down around here. So now that this is secured, just focus on tacking down this whole area. We're going to take our time to help it tack down around this small curve here. So there's one here and one here. So to secure it, we're going to apply heat and Tack Solution. And once this is secured, we can finish off with the rest of the installation. So apply Tack Solution on top and underneath as well, and then on top. And then we're going to apply heat and then help it tack down little by little on both sections of this curve here. And you just do this process until everything stays tacked down here, and do the same on this bottom section. And then once this is secured, we'll move on to this side. Okay, just help it sit. Like I mentioned, same steps here, repeat it for the bottom section. So to finish off this section of the headlight, all we need to do is apply Tack Solution and a little bit of heat, and then tack it down with our squeegee and our microfiber towel just to help it sit, and also remove any small fingers that may be around this curved area here. And also, if you still have fingers around this edge, do the same process, apply heat and Tack Solution, and everything should sit. So apply Tack Solution, grab your heat gun, apply heat on the areas where the fingers are located, and then just help it tack down. And that's pretty much it. And now that we finished tacking down everything, the last thing to do is to post heat the headlight. So the last thing to do once you finish with the headlight tint installation is to post heat the entire film. So just apply tack solution to the lens, and we're going to use our heat gun and apply heat throughout the entire headlight. And as we're applying heat, we're going to use a microfiber towel just to help tack down the film and also help remove any solution that may still be trapped around the edges. So take your time while you're doing this step, and then when you're done with this process, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2022 Bronco Sport. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.